In front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Start by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now, to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. If you want to paste it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and use pin icon in the pop-up. You can unpin it the same way. To delete anything from Clipboard, you can swipe it to the right, or you can hold it and use the delete button. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!